Cricket isn't just a game, it's a journey. It mirrors life's struggles, joys, and lessons. Today, let's uncover how cricket teaches us to live with purpose and leave a legacy. Yuvraj Singh fought on and off the field, showing us that resilience is the ultimate strength. Cricket teaches us that no dream is too big and no start is too small. Dhoni's leadership wasn't just about winning, it was about empowering others and staying calm under pressure. Clive Lloyd's legacy shows us that leadership is about bringing people together toward a common goal. Rahul Dravid reminds us that humility amplifies greatness. Even legends continue to give back. De Villiers teaches us that being gracious elevates not just you, but everyone around you. Cricket connects us in ways no other sport can. The 2019 World Cup final reminded us that unity shines brighter than any trophy. Afghanistan's story proves that cricket has the power to heal and inspire even in the darkest times. Callis shows us that leaving a legacy isn't about records, it's about the lives you touch. Imran Khan turned his fame into a force for good, proving that legacies are built on purpose. Cricket teaches us to lead, to rise, and to give back. It shows us that life, like the game, is about the legacy we leave. So what will your legacy be?